Hello friends. Today we're diving deep into the carnivore diet, one of the most highly effective diet plans out there, known for its rapid weight loss and crucial health benefits including diabetes control, improved bone and muscle health, and inflammation reduction. But to truly benefit from this diet, you must avoid some common pitfalls. Let's explore the top 10 mistakes to avoid, as recommended by leading carnivore influencers like Dr. Shawn Baker, Dr. Paul Saladino, Mikhaila Peterson, and Joe Rogan. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to maximize your carnivore diet results. Stay tuned. Mistake 1. Insufficient fat intake. A surprisingly frequent misstep new practitioners of the carnivore diet make is their inadequate consumption of fats. Within the scope of this dietary strategy, fats are not just a welcome addition, they are the foundational brick in the structure of this nutritional paradigm. The pivotal role they perform is paramount. They act as a bountiful energy pool and facilitate the absorption of critical nutrients. Think of fats as the new heroes in the carnivore diet, stepping up to replace carbohydrates as your body's primary energy source. They are the fuel that keeps your body running smoothly, preserving mental acuity, and driving your workout sessions. Failing to ingest sufficient fats can create a considerable energy gap, potentially triggering fatigue and undermining your physical performance. For instance, if you're accustomed to having a protein-rich steak for dinner, consider choosing a fattier cut, or adding a dollop of butter to ensure you're getting enough fats. Furthermore, fats play a crucial role in nutrient absorption, particularly with fat-soluble vitamins including A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are vital for a myriad of physiological functions and contribute significantly to maintaining overall health. For example, vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, promoting bone health, while vitamin A supports vision and immune function. A shortage of fat in your diet can obstruct their absorption, which could potentially result in nutritional deficiencies. Mistake 2. On carnivore diet. The pitfall of sole dependence on high-priced cuts of meat. This error is common because a prevailing belief amongst many is that the higher the price tag, the superior the quality. It's a pervasive myth that choosing the most extravagant cuts of meat will grant an unparalleled taste and superior nutritional value, a belief that is far from the truth. Joe Rogan said in one of his podcasts, "More cost-effective cuts of meat can rival the expensive ones in taste and nutritional content. Surprisingly, they're often richer in connective tissue. When prepared with care and time, these inexpensive cuts can morph into an extraordinarily tender and flavorful meal. Think of it as a gourmet meal on a shoestring budget. They may require more time and preparation, but the satisfaction derived from these dishes is priceless. Take for example a well-prepared brisket or a slow-cooked chuck roast. With the right care, these can outshine a fancy prime-cut steak and leave you feeling satiated and content. And the best part? It doesn't have to drain your wallet. So venture out of your comfort zone and diversify your meat selection to ensure a balanced nutrient intake without depleting your funds. Mistake 3. Neglecting organ meats. The third common mistake carnivores often make is neglecting organ meats. It's not uncommon in the carnivorous dietary world for people to zero in on muscle meats alone. By muscle meats, we're talking about popular cuts like steaks, chicken breasts, pork chops, the kind of fare you'd typically find gracing your barbecue grill. However, this singular focus often leads to a complete oversight of the crucial importance of organ meats in a carnivorous diet. Organ meats, also known by the blanket term offal, include the heart, liver, kidneys, and much more. These organ meats are often left on the shelf due to their unfamiliar flavors or textures that may not appeal to everyone's palate immediately. Yet, it's essential to realize that these nutrient-dense parts of an animal supply a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals that are seldom found in high concentrations elsewhere. For instance, they are packed with vitamin A, essential for vision and immune function, vitamin B12, crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells, iron, vital for creating hormones and maintaining healthy cells, and coenzyme Q10, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage and plays an important part in metabolism. Incorporating these unconventional meats can offer you a major health boost. For example, the next time you're at the butcher's, try asking for some beef liver. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, loaded with vitamin B12 and vitamin A. Or perhaps you could try lamb kidneys, another often neglected offal that provides a significant dose of essential nutrients. Mistake 4 on carnivore. Overlooking the importance of electrolyte balance. It's a common misjudgment that many make because the pressing need for water often steals the spotlight in discussions about overall health. However, solely depending on water intake is a half measure. Our bodies are complex systems that require an array of vital nutrients and minerals to operate at their best. This brings us to the significance of electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that have the unique capability to carry an electric charge. They are integral to a variety of essential bodily functions. These include but are not limited to regulating our heart rhythms, enabling our muscles to contract efficiently for physical activities, and effectively managing our fluid balance. Key examples of electrolytes are potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium. Each one serves a distinctive purpose in upholding the body's functions and thereby ensuring our optimal health. Neglecting the role of electrolytes in your dietary plan can have adverse effects like muscle cramps and other associated complications. This is primarily due to the pivotal role they play in muscle contraction. An imbalance in electrolyte levels could lead to erratic muscle contractions, either too intense or too weak, which ultimately results in discomfort and a drop in performance. Mistake 5. The pitfall of over-restricting calories. A common misunderstanding that often ensnares individuals when they commence their weight loss journey is the concept of drastically reducing their daily caloric intake. The prevalent belief system is that this reduction will yield quicker results. However, to comprehend the implications of this, one needs to grasp the fundamental idea that our bodies need a specific calorie count to operate efficiently. Let's take a deeper look at this. When you cut back on calories excessively, it starts impacting your body adversely. It's similar to running a car on an almost empty fuel tank. Your body can experience nutrient deficiencies not unlike an engine running without enough oil. This means vital vitamins and minerals that your body needs for its daily functions are not met. This can lead to health issues such as hair loss, weakened immune system, and fatigue. Alongside this, an extreme calorie deficit can also lead to a decrease in muscle mass. For example, if you're an active individual who enjoys daily workouts, a drastic cut in your calorie intake could mean less energy for your workouts and a gradual muscle mass decrease. Moreover, when your body senses that it's being starved, it instinctively switches to survival mode. Imagine this as the body's inbuilt preservation mechanism that activates when it feels threatened. This isn't conducive to weight loss because survival mode results in the slowdown of your metabolic rate to conserve energy. Mistake 6. Eating only one meal a day. This is a common diet misconception that many fall prey to, often under the belief that consuming fewer meals directly equates to a lower calorie intake, thereby leading to weight loss. However, scientifically speaking, our bodies are not designed to function optimally on just one meal per day. Imagine trying to run a car on a low tank of gas for an entire day. It simply wouldn't work efficiently. Similarly, our bodies need fuel throughout the day to perform at their best. We are not merely talking about calories here, but a full spectrum of nutritional elements that our bodies need to perform and thrive. These include essential vitamins like vitamin A for good eyesight, vitamin C for a healthy immune system, minerals such as calcium for strong bones, fiber to ensure a healthy digestive system, and protein that your body needs for vital functions like repairing cells and making new ones. These are nutrients that your body can't produce on its own and must be supplied through the food you consume. Eating one meal per day makes it near impossible to get the recommended daily intake of these essential nutrients. Think of it as trying to fill a bucket with a thimble. It's just not going to be sufficient. Besides, eating only one meal per day can lead to energy imbalances. Our bodies utilize energy from food for various bodily functions like walking, thinking, and even sleeping. When you only eat once a day, your body might not get sufficient energy to perform these functions, leading to fatigue and a lack of focus. Mistake 7. Overindulgence in chicken and pork. Let's dissect this mistake further for a clearer understanding. Despite popular belief, overeating chicken and pork can open a Pandora's box of health-related issues. While these types of meats are often championed as healthier alternatives to red meat, they actually fall short in terms of nutrient density when compared to beef and lamb. Allow me to shed light on why this is the case. Chicken and pork are less rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial fats. To illustrate, beef and lamb are recognized as significant sources of iron, zinc, selenium, and B vitamins, all of which are vital for maintaining good health and well-being. Protein content is another area where beef and lamb excel. These meats contain higher amounts of protein, which not only satiates hunger, but also aids in muscle development and upkeep. In stark contrast, the relatively low nutrient density in chicken and pork may leave you feeling less satiated and more likely to overeat, which can ultimately lead to weight gain and other health complications. But the conversation about meat quality is equally important. It's common knowledge that many commercially raised chickens and pigs are pumped with hormones and antibiotics, which can wreak havoc on your health. On the flip side, grass-fed beef and lamb are usually reared without these detrimental substances, making them a healthier alternative. Thus, understanding the implications of overeating chicken and pork is critical. While these meats can be part of a balanced diet, excessive intake could result in insufficient nutrient consumption. It's all about making informed decisions, considering the nutritional profile of the food we choose to eat. Remember, these meats are not as nutrient-dense as beef and lamb. Misstep 8. Going overboard with liver consumption. Many people tend to overlook and undervalue the liver as a food source. However, this humble organ is actually a nutritional behemoth, loaded with an impressive array of nutrients. It's an excellent source of much-needed vitamins and minerals, which can offset deficiencies in an otherwise inadequate diet. Astonishingly, liver, particularly from beef and chicken, is a compact nutritional dynamo. It's stuffed with substantial quantities of vitamin A, B12, and iron, all of which are vital for our health. But it's crucial to remember that, as in all things, balance and moderation are paramount. Eating liver in moderate balanced amounts can be beneficial to your health. However, when you start binging on liver, you're venturing into dangerous territory. The human body, while adept at processing and storing vitamins, has its limitations. Binging on liver, despite its vitamin richness, could push your body beyond these limits. Overindulgence can spike your vitamin A levels to harmful amounts, leading to a condition known as hypervitaminosis A. The symptoms can range from mild, such as nausea and dizziness, to severe, such as hair loss and excruciating bone pain. In some cases, the liver's high iron content could even lead to iron overload disorder, a condition that can result in damage to vital organs. A tip for those who enjoy liver but want to avoid the potential dangers is to limit the consumption to once or twice a week. Also, consider combining liver with other nutrient-dense foods in a balanced diet to avoid overconsumption. Mistake 9 on the carnivore diet: neglecting the potential benefits of supplements. It's quite common to stumble upon individuals, even those who meticulously monitor their health and fitness, who harbor deep-rooted skepticism about the idea of taking supplements. This apprehension is not entirely groundless, as the market is indeed saturated with numerous products making grand promises with questionable credibility. However, to categorically dismiss all supplements as unnecessary or harmful is an extreme perspective. It's crucial to clarify the role of supplements in one's health journey. They are not a miraculous solution or an easy bypass to achieving fitness or health goals. Instead, they play the role of a supportive ally, complementing a balanced diet and a thorough workout regime. They bridge the nutritional divide that your diet might inadvertently leave and provide that extra boost to enhance your fitness performance. The array of supplements available today is diverse and extensive. Ranging from protein powders, multivitamins, to omega-3 capsules, each offers unique benefits. Some are designed to expedite muscle recovery, some contribute to strengthening your immune system, while others possess properties that aid in mental health improvement. The trick lies in making an informed choice, rooted in your personal health requirements, fitness aspirations, and the recommendations of a trusted healthcare professional. Remember, the effectiveness of a supplement is relative. What works wonders for one might not have the same impact on another. It's about understanding your body's unique composition and catering to its demands in appropriate proportions and timings. And final on our list, carnivore mistake 10, consuming food too late in the day. Have you ever been seized by an unexpected craving late at night? Perhaps you found yourself standing in front of the open refrigerator, rifling through its contents in search of something to quell your insatiable desire to eat. As you mindlessly gobble down that midnight snack, you're not really considering the potential damage you're inflicting on your body. You see, a plethora of scientific research points towards the negative impact such late-night snacking can have on our body. Our body operates on a natural cycle known as the circadian rhythm. Essentially, it's our body's internal clock, regulating various physiological processes such as digestion. When we eat late at night, it throws off this rhythm, leading to digestive problems. For instance, you might have noticed you often wake up with a bloated stomach or heartburn after indulging in a midnight feast. That's because your body is still trying to digest the food you ate late the previous night, which can result in these uncomfortable symptoms. Furthermore, late-night eating can also disturb your sleep cycle. You might be wondering how your eating habits could possibly affect your sleep. Easy. When we consume food, our body needs energy to break it down and digest it. This energy is generated through our metabolism, which stays active during the digestive process. Eating late means your metabolism is still active when it should be at rest, which in turn can cause sleep disturbances. These disruptions in your sleep can rob your body of the much-needed rest it requires to operate optimally. Our bodies utilize sleep to repair and rejuvenate. When this sleep is compromised, it can result in feelings of fatigue and a diminished ability to focus, which can negatively influence your productivity the following day. Therefore, the critical takeaway from this discussion is that consuming food too late in the day can have a profound and far-reaching impact on your health. It's advisable to avoid this behavior as much as possible. Establishing a regular eating schedule and sticking to it can help in this regard. Consuming your last meal a few hours before bed and opting for lighter, easily digestible foods in the evening can also be beneficial, so be cognizant of your eating habits and remember, timing is everything. So friends, avoid these mistakes in your carnivore journey and maximize your weight loss and wellness results. Share your experiences in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to Shape Squad for more insightful content. Like and share this video to spread the word. Midway reminder, thank you for watching, and here's to your health journey on the carnivore diet.